Hello friends, I, Shikha Tuggar, working as an assistant professor in Vianney Girls Colleges, welcomes you all on behalf of GuruKPO.com. Today I'll explain some of the concepts related to demand. As you all know that we use in daily life the word demand, but actually what does the demand means? Now, that's why my first concept which I am going to explain is demand. Now what is demand in terms of economics? Demand is when a consumer is demanding a particular commodity, that means he is demanding that commodity on a particular quantity at particular price and on a given time. That is demand. Now my second concept will be law of demand. Now what is law of demand? Law of demand states that when the other things remains constant, when the price of a commodity increases, its quantity demanded decreases, and when the price of a commodity decreases, its quantity demanded increases. As I said earlier, the other things remains constant. That is the assumptions of the law of demand. This diagram is explaining the law of demand. That is, when the price of a commodity increases, its quantity demanded decreases to Q1 to Q. And when the price decreases, that is from P to P1, its quantity demanded increases, that is from Q to Q1. Other things remains constant. That means the increase and decrease in quantity is only because of the price. Now what all the things which will be coming under other things, that will be the assumptions of the law of demand. And the assumptions of law of demand are the price of a related goods, money income of consumer, price of the commodity, taste, nature and preferences of the consumers, climatic conditions, future expectations of the prices. These all are the assumptions of the law of demand. My third concept is demand schedule. Now what is demand schedule? Demand schedule is a table showing the price and the quantity demanded. That means on the different price levels or on the different market prices, what will be the quantity demanded? That is a demand schedule. That means on price 1, the commodity X will be demanded 50. On price 2, the commodity X will be demanded 40 units. On price 3, it will be 30, and on price 4, it will be 20, and so on. This schedule is explaining the law of demand. That is, when the price of a commodity increases, its quantity demanded decreases. You all will be clear with this diagram, with this table. You all will be clear with this table. This concept is clear with this table. Now, when we will plot this table in a form of a graph, that will be demand curve. My next topic is demand curve. Demand curve. When this table will be plotted in the form of a graph, we will tell this as a demand curve. We will call this graph is a demand curve. Now there are two types of demand schedule, that is individual demand schedule and market demand schedule. Now what is individual demand schedule? Individual demand schedule is when the price and quantity of a single commodity is plotted on put it on a table. That is individual demand schedule. And when more than one commodity or more than one commodity is showing in a single table, that is the market demand schedule. That is when we are giving the price and quantity demanded of all market, that is individual market demand schedule. Clear? Now my next concept is extension and contraction in demand. I also said earlier that the demand of a commodity can be changed with two concepts, with the help of a price or with the help of other things remains constant. When extension and contraction in demand, in extension and contraction in demand, the other things will be kept constant. Other things or the assumptions will be kept constant, and the increase and decrease in the demand will be only because of the price. That is extension and contraction in demand. First is extension in demand. That is when the demand of a commodity increases because of the fall in price of that particular commodity. That is extension in demand. You all will be seeing in this diagram, that is price increases when the price decreases with P to P2. From P to P2, its quantity demanded increases from Q to Q2. That is extension in demand. This is extension in demand. And what is contraction in demand? Contraction in demand is contracted. That means when the quantity demanded of a commodity decreases due to the change in price, due to the increase in price, that is contraction in demand. See, from price P, if the price of a commodity will be P1, then the quantity will be from Q to Q1. Quantity decreases from Q to Q1. That is contraction in demand. This is extension and contraction in demand, which is only because of the price. And my last concept will be increase in demand and decrease in demand. Now, what is increase and decrease in demand? As I have said earlier, that the quantity will be increases or decreases with the help of 2 points, that is price and other things. Here other things will be constant, and in increase and decrease in demand, price will be constant. An increase in demand, when price is constant and the demand is increases with the help of other things, that is increase in demand. And with the help of other things, demand is increases or demand is decreases and price is constant, that is decrease in demand. Clear? In extension and contraction in demand, there will be upward and downward flow in the same demand curve. Extension and contraction in demand will be seen in the same demand curve. Okay? And in the increase and decrease in demand, it will be shown with the help of upward movement of the demand curve and the downward movement of the demand curve. This is all about the concept of demand, few concepts of demand. Thank you everyone. For more details, please log on to www.gurukpo.com.